So you're thinking about deleting your YouTube channel. Let's be real. That's a huge decision. And when YouTube says it's permanent, they aren't kidding. Once you hit that button, there's no going back. All your videos, comments, your community, every single thing you've built up, it all gets wiped from YouTube servers for good. This is a one-way street. But you've come to the right place. Maybe you're rebranding, taking a step back from creating content, or just ready to close an old chapter of your digital life. Whatever the reason, you need to do this the right way to avoid that sinking feeling of regret and accidentally losing content you might want to cherish. It's a big move, and it's final. I'm going to walk you through every single step to safely delete your channel on both desktop and mobile. We'll start with the most critical step of all, backing up your data so you don't lose a thing. We'll also cover the hidden traps, the permanent consequences, and make sure you're in total control. Before we even get close to the delete button, we have to talk about backups. Seriously, don't skip this part. Once your channel is gone, it's gone. There's no secret support ticket or magic undo button that can save you. Those videos could be years of your work, creativity, and memories, and they will be erased forever. That's why our first move is to save everything with a tool called Google Takeout. It's a service from Google that lets you download an archive of your data from all their products, including YouTube. Here's how to do it. First, head over to takeout.google.com and sign in with the Google account tied to the channel you want to save. By default, everything might be checked, which would create a ridiculously huge file. So your new best friend is the Deselect All button. Click it. Now, scroll down until you spot YouTube and YouTube Music and check that box. You'll see a button that says All YouTube Data Included. Give that a click. This is where you can get specific. A window will pop up letting you choose exactly what you want to keep. You can grab all your videos, comments, playlists, subs, everything. If you want it all, leave it all checked. But if you only care about the videos, for instance, you can just select just that. When you're done, click OK. Scroll to the bottom and hit Next Step. Here, you get to decide how you want to get your files. The easiest option is to get an email with a download link. You can also pick the file type, zip is standard, and how big you want each file to be. If you have a massive channel, Google will split it into a few smaller files. For most people, the default .zip and 2 GB settings are perfectly fine. Finally, click Create Export. Google will start bundling up your files. This isn't instant. It could take a few hours or even a couple of days depending on how much stuff you have. You'll get an email when it's all ready to download. Please do this first. Don't even think about the next step until you have that backup saved somewhere safe. Okay, with your precious data backed up, we're at another fork in the road. You actually have two choices: hiding your channel or deleting it permanently, and you really need to understand the difference. Let's start with hiding. Think of hiding your channel like putting it into private storage. Your channel name, videos, playlists, and subscribers will all become invisible to the public. If someone tries to visit your channel's URL, they'll hit a not available page. The great thing here is that this is reversible. If you have a change of heart next month or next year, you can switch it back on and all your videos and playlists will pop back up. It's the perfect choice if you're just taking a break or aren't 100% sure. But, and this is a huge one, even hiding has a permanent consequence you need to know about. When you hide your channel, all of your comments and replies you've ever made across all of YouTube are permanently deleted. They will not come back, even if you reactivate your channel. That's a critical detail that catches a lot of people by surprise. Now, for the big red button, permanent deletion. This is the no turning back option. It erases everything. All your videos, playlists, subscribers, messages, and of course, all your comments are gone for good. There is absolutely no way to get any of it back. Your channel URL is toast and can't be used again. This is what you choose when you are positive you want to close this chapter for good. So here's my advice. If you have even a tiny shred of doubt, hide your channel first. You can always come back and delete it permanently later. You can never undo a permanent deletion. You've backed up your data, you get the consequences, and you've decided to go through with it. Let's walk through the exact steps on a desktop computer. First, and this is super important, make sure you're logged into the right YouTube account. If you have a few channels, double-check you've selected the one you plan to erase. Click your profile picture in the top right and hit Switch Account if you need to. Once you're on the right channel, click that profile picture again and go to YouTube Studio. In the menu on the left, look for the little gear icon labeled Settings down near the bottom and click it. A settings box will pop up. In this new window, choose the Channel tab on the left. After that, you'll see a few tabs up top. Click on Advanced Settings. Now, scroll all the way to the bottom. You're looking for a small, easy-to-miss link that says Remove YouTube Content. It's not a big, flashy button, so look carefully. Click it. YouTube will then ask you for your password again to make sure it's really you. This is just a safety check. Pop in your password and click Next. This takes you to the final decision screen with two options. I want to hide my channel and I want to permanently delete my content. Click on I want to permanently delete my content. This will drop down and show you exactly what you're about to do. It'll confirm all your videos, playlists, comments, and everything else will be deleted. You have to check two boxes to move forward. The first box is you confirming you get that all your data is about to be vaporized. The second is for any paid subscriptions you have, like YouTube Premium. Deleting your channel cancels those, but your access continues until your billing cycle ends. Check both boxes. Finally, you'll see the Delete My Content button. As one last "Are you absolutely sure?" check, YouTube will ask you to type in your channel's name or your email. Do it exactly as it asks. Then click the final Delete My Content button. That's it. Your channel is officially in the deletion queue. It can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of days for everything to be completely wiped from YouTube's systems, especially for bigger channels. So, what if you want to do this from your phone? This is where a lot of people get tripped up, and here's the secret. You can't delete your channel using the YouTube app or the YouTube Studio app. The option just isn't there. To delete your channel on mobile, you have to use a web browser like Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. Open the browser on your phone and go to studio.youtube.com. The site will probably try to get you to open the app. Make sure you say no and tap Continue to Studio. You'll now be looking at the desktop version of your dashboard, which can be a little tiny on a phone, so feel free to pinch and zoom. From here, the steps are pretty much identical to the desktop version. So you clicked the button. What happens now? A process kicks off that permanently erases all your stuff. This includes every video, every comment, every message, all your playlists, and your entire watch history. Your subscribers are gone, and there's no way to get them back. Your YouTube channel name and any custom URL you had become inactive and won't show up in search or YouTube analytics anymore. One interesting thing to note is that while all your personal data is gone, some anonymous aggregated data might stick around in YouTube's system-wide reports. For example, the total watch time your channel contributed to YouTube's overall numbers will still exist, but it won't be connected to you or your deleted channel in any way. And don't worry, deleting your YouTube channel does not delete your Google account. Your Gmail, Google Drive, Google Photos, and everything else will be completely safe. This is just about your life on YouTube. If this guide helped you make the right call and navigate these steps without a headache, consider giving this video a thumbs up. It honestly helps the channel reach and help more people who are in the same boat. And for more clear, no-nonsense tech guides, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And there you have it. Deleting a YouTube channel is a major step, and it's one that you can't take back. My goal was to give you a safe and complete roadmap for this process, making sure you don't lose any precious memories and that you feel confident in whatever choice you make. Just remember the 2 golden rules. Back up your data first, and when in doubt, just hide your channel instead of deleting it. Whatever you choose, I hope this guide gave you the clarity you were looking for. Thanks for watching, and all the best with whatever's next for you.